Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to restrict on create and edit options for the specific model. When you try to create any new, at that time not display these options. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev restrict create edit. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings and display here this menu configuration. Now click on and create new. Set here sequence, select model. I want to select this contact and available here three options: restrict, quick create, create and edit, and create in search mode. These three are allows and save. Now go to cell type and create new. This customers is available many to one, so you select it to contact. So when I try to create any new, then not display here. So I want to create here Jenny and see here not display option for create and edit, and also not display here search mode because here I set up for this three option. But when I select here cell order, then automatically display here these options for create, edit and search mode because here allowed for cell order. Let's save. And again go to cell type, create new, again create here and see here display these options create and edit. Display here this allowed user and here I set Michelle admin. When you log in with this admin users, at that time when you try to create any new, that also display this option for create, edit and search mode. So here login user is admin. And now I want to create and see here display here this create edit because here I set or allowed user admin and here login user same Michelle admin, and also display here this group and here I want to set cell administrator. Let's save and see here apply this same group. Now I want to create any new like Mira and also display here this option create, edit. So if here set allowed user, model and group, it's in not apply. This restricts option for create, edit and search mode. So using this our app you can easily apply restrict on create, edit, search mode. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.